Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But now that there's another week in the books, let's get some things updated here. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line down there. It served its purpose for now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So again, yes, that level pertains, just not totally relevant. And you are not blind if you see that candle moving. You don't need to go to the eye doctor. Technically speaking, there's still a couple minutes left before the market closes. But as far as what I want to talk about, I'm confident that nothing will change in that regard. But the first update that does need to occur comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 765. That was a level of resistance going into today, but now that the price is up above it, that's certainly going to be the ideal level going forward. Ideal meaning, if you say, Clay, what make this chart look the best next week? Certainly if the price can stay up above $7.60, or excuse me, $7.65. Now don't get me wrong though, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that, but yeah, preferably speaking, if the price could stay above it, that would be great. And then from the overarching perspective, that's where the pink line comes into play, which again, for those of you that have watched the past videos, you've heard me talk time and time again. And what a beautiful thing right there, the power of charts. The price essentially bounced right off that area. So congratulations to you technical traders out there that I can guarantee were sitting down around that area and accumulated some shares and definitely got a nice bounce there. So well done to you from one technical trader to another. Now, what about levels of resistance going into next week? As far as the initial level, nothing fancy here other than the party finally stopped today up there at $7.87. So that'll be the initial battleground that needs to be broken through. If the price can push through there, the next key level up there right at the $8 mark. So all in all, you got to give credit where credit's due. Nice bounce today on the bulls' part. Now it's just a question of can they build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.